finally, I have find the trusted and official way that you can get access of Claude Opus 4.8, GPT 5.6, Gemini 3.1 Pro, Claude Sonnet 4.6 for 2 years, okay, which is provided by Figma Education Plan. You can get access of this all model at once. To get access, first go to the Google and search for Figma Education. You can find the official Figma link. If you are new here, then create account by clicking on get started for free. After you have create account, then you can ready to get access of this Figma Education Plan. Click on this get verification. Here it will mention age and everything. Get the free Figma Education Plan for your classroom, and age and everything will be mentioned here. Read it if you want, and it will mention what type of institution do you attend and or work for. Higher education, where it will require my ID later. Keep in my mind, provide your real data, and main important, do you have a school issue email ID? I don't have. Without your school university ID, you can get it for free and read it. I am going to ask and agree. I have already read it. If you want, you can read it and next it from there. Then you are navigate to the next screen where it will ask, are you a student, educator or administrator? Select student, and what is your primary field of study? I am selecting computer science. Choose your respective field and expected graduation date. I am going to select November 2027. Okay, you can choose your graduation date. It need to be the real, your actual date. Then and it will navigate to the next screen where you need to provide your country, your school university name, your first name and last name. At the same time, provide your date of birth, which need to be matched to your ID, which is asked later, and provide the email address that you have logged in with Figma. After that, it will send the verification mail. Open your email and verify it. You are almost there. Then it will redirect here to continue upload document that confirm your student status. It will accept school ID card with expiration date, class schedule, tuition receipt, where it need to be in JPG, PNG or PDF format. Keep in mind, your identity card clearly show your full name, last name, your academic institution name or logo, and expiration date. Add your document. I'm going to add my university ID. In my ID card, everything will be clearly represented. That will be mentioned by this website. Submit it. This will only take a minute, and your application is in the review. It will take up to 20 minutes. That will mention, but I have get my mail within 5 to 6 minutes. If your application is rejected or accepted, you get the email where my application is accepted, and it will send me the mail and mention welcome to the Figma Education Plan. You are now verified as a student and has access to our education plan, which give you all the benefits is of our professional plan for free. Then follow these steps. Create, upgrade or join. It will navigate to the help.figma.com where it will mention once your education status is verified, you can create or upgrade the team you plan to use as your education team. You can also create your new team, or you can also upgrade your existing team. If you are familiar in Figma, you can create multiple team in Figma. For each document, you can able to create each team. Okay, I'm going to figma.com. This is my account. You can see left top corner my name will be reflected, and in my team is a free plan will be also reflected here, if you can see it carefully. And at the bottom you can see you are verified for Figma Education, ready to upgrade our team for free. If you can click on my team, then you can see currently there are 4 teams. All are is in free plan. I'm going to select my team. It will navigate to the my team. If this team contain any design, it will be reflected here. I'm going to choose plan, and I'm selected my team to upgrade its educational plan. You can see almost done. Everything looking good, and total cost will be 0. Continue upgrade. Your team is now upgraded to the Figma Education Plan. If you want, you can also upgrade more than 1 team as well. I'm going to close my all the tab and open the new tab here, and figma.com. You can see at the right top corner make will be reflected there. Click it. It will open the chat interface here. Initially you can see default. If you can click, then all the model will be reflected here. Claude Sonnet 4.6, Claude Opus 4.8, Gemini 3 Flash, Gemini 3.1 Pro, GPT 5.6. Where intelligence model takes more quota, you can see a warning about Opus 4.8. Opus 4.8 is great for deep work but consume AI credit quickly, especially with large attachment. Okay, some model are balanced and efficient, some model are capable quick, some model takes more credit. I'm going to test it by creating one website for my channel, for my main channel, which is WTF code. You can also add any link, you can also add image, and you can also add any design as well, where I have also provide my WTF code channel link, and it will already start to work. It will read, analyze, properly prepare, then only it will start to work. It will fast as well, that I have feel. You can see it will already completed it, and this is the website. This is not the actual bit. Go to the right top corner and click on view full screen. Then you can see the actual overview of this website. For the first time, it will take little bit time to load it. Video section, about topics, new video every Thursday. You can see video section will be also included. What's on YouTube, you can see it will open the YouTube link, the link that I have provided. Everything is working perfectly. Click on subscribe. It will navigate to the channel where we have provided the link. If you provide some other data, then it will include it. At the same time, you can see the code and overview in same place. Each and every folder and each and every code is structured properly. I'm going to back here, and if you can see in my team, only the my team is in education plan, remaining all is in free plan. I'm going to select free plan and show you. In free plan, you can get access some model. Let's see how much model is it. You can see Claude, other than Claude Opus 4.8, remaining model are available here, but in free plan you can get less quota. If you upgrade your with educational plan, then you can access of the Claude Opus and get more limit. Okay, this is the official way that you can get access of the intelligence model which is provided by Figma. You only need your identity that verify you are a student. Okay, that's it for today's video.